Hello everyone, it's your girl again, Odette Bongfen once more. So on today's video I will be showing you an amazing, simple and very cheap ponytail that you can achieve with this hairnet. Guys, this is very cheap and very affordable. Anyone can do this, believe me, and save your money, and still look good. Why? You didn't spend that much. So guys, stay tuned and watch how I did achieve this simple and affordable ponytail. So as you all can see, it's a small hairnet, but I will be putting hair braiding extensions on this so that you can use it as a ponytail. So guys, because this net is small and cannot enter on a mannequin's head, so that is why I am placing it on this container. But you just watch and see what I am going to do to keep it fit on the container. I am using a headband, plastic rubbers to secure it on this container. Just keep watching, guys. So I will be using a thread as well, just to make it more secured on this container so that when I am crocheting, it won't come out from the container, guys. So you all can see that is perfectly secured. I am using Olivia hair for this ponytail, but remember you can use any braiding hair of your choice and any hair that you would like to use for this style. Guys, this is just a leave-in conditioner because as you always know, I like my hair to be smooth and soft, and I don't like that itchy feeling on my body whenever I put on my hair. So the conditioner will help to keep it soft and fragile. So guys, I did place the container in between my legs because I did not wanted the container to be moving while I'm crocheting. So this is the easiest way for you to hold the container while crocheting. So I decided to add colored extension on my ponytail, because I like color and I just want to blend it. I don't want it to have only black hair. So you can go ahead and do any colors that you want. If you want to do only black, it's fine. Go ahead and do what you like. So this is how it turned out after crocheting. I will be using my rollers to give it that bouncy curls. You can give whatever curls that you would like your ponytail to have. So I put the hair in hot water. So as you all know, hot water will help it to give it that curls after rolling. And the white thing you see, it's a conditioner just to make my hair more soft. Guys, look at how that ponytail turned out. I am so proud of this ponytail. I'm so proud of my job. Oh my god, look at how, bouncy it looks, shiny. Guys, you all know already, I like leave-in conditioner on my hair because like I told you, I don't like when my hair is, I don't like that feeling of having like those harsh hairs on my body. I like when my hair is soft on my body and bouncy and easy to manage. And by the way, when you put in leave-in conditioners on your hair, It really keeps your hair for a very long time, especially on braiding hairs like this. So it won't get tangled, and you know, you can enjoy your hair for a while. And you can use any conditioners of your choice as well. Wow, look at that hair. Look at the ponytail after separating the hair. Look at how it turned out. It turned out so nice. Let's go ahead and style the ponytail. Surprise! That was a joke, guys. I wanted to do a low ponytail, so it all depends on what you want. If you want to make your ponytail high, you can go ahead and make it high. Okay, do it whatever ways that you wish to do.
Day out, it's the same road we're walking down, same job, same town, 'cause we've been told that's the way our world goes round. Walking on the grounds we've always known, stepping on the footprints in the snow, but when it melts the other ways will show. We're gonna make the footsteps on our own. That life can wait just for a while. That life can wait, so take that aside and just go on.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I want to say thank you for those who have subscribed to my channel already, and for those of you who haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click the notification subscribe button down and click the bell so that you will have every notification and won't miss any of my videos. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.